Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, March 26, 2021. It is Fun Fact Friday. Did you know that your skin constantly sheds dead cells, your dead skin cells, about 30,000 to 40,000 cells every minute? That equates to nearly 9 pounds per year. That is kind of gross, but that's our Fun Fact Friday. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today we're going to have breakfast, and for lunch, fish on a bun. Monday we'll have breakfast, and the menu says Crispitos. We'll see what we get. Happy birthday today. We have two birthdays, Andre Christian and Chloe Davidson. So happy birthday today to you two friends. And this weekend we have a couple of birthdays. We have Mason Gibbs and Harley Gibbs, our fun little pre-K friends. And we have Miss Nora Lingle will also be having a birthday this weekend. So happy birthday to all of those folks. A couple of announcements. Our fourth grade remote learners will be testing this morning, and we'll be doing a few fourth grade makeups. So please remember to be quiet near the computer lab, the collab lab, and near Miss Wilborn's room. Also, be sure to stop by the lounge and vote on the school calendar for next year. Late duty today will be Miss White finishing up our week. Important dates, we are still in the testing window. Today is the end of our third quarter. Isn't that wild? The end of the third quarter is today. March 29th, the grades are due. April 5th through the 9th, we have spring break. April 16th, we have spring pictures. And April 30th is the end of our summative testing. Our pep partners have been celebrating us along the way. Next week, we have 5th grade doing some testing, and their partner is 2nd grade. So cheer on your friends. Our word of the day is line plot. A line plot is a diagram showing the frequency of data on a number line. Okay, so this number line shows some data someone collected about the number of pets maybe a class has. So we have a lot of students that have 1 pet. We have 5 students that have 2 pets. We have 3 students that have 3 pets. We have 3 students that have 4 pets. And we only have 1 student that has 5 pets. So a line plot is a way to organize data to show how often a number or an occurrence happens. So there is a line plot. I know when we take the ACAP, there will be line plots on there, especially for our 3rd grade friends, maybe for our 4th grade friends as well. So if you're not sure how to make a line plot or how to read a line plot, ask your teacher about that. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.